right, so you saw that the area here before he put the bed, because this is they only allow up to 3 people for the room, and so they bring an extra bed, and he said that their bed is comfortable. Okay, comfortable enough. And then here is the view, which love the view. They upgraded us to a premium room because I'm an IHG member. So what that basically means is they give you a room with a better view, they give you a better room. That's the Grand Hyatt. I don't know what this building is. And then that's the Ritz-Carlton, and that's the Bosphorus. And that's the front where we came from. So when you enter the room, this is what it looks like. Nice carpet. You could tell it's a good carpet. You have the closet here with the ironing board, iron. Got your hangers here. They're kind of a hard plastic, couple linen ones. I'm surprised. Okay, here. Got the safe. They have laundry. These are probably slippers, shoe horn, shoe brush. Wow, they have a scale. No, we don't need to know that. Is that a scale? Yes. That's funny. Might not want to know that while you're on vacay. Okay? Okay, so I'm walking into the main part of the room. And this is the king size bed. Here's your decor. The AC's here. Okay. Very simple but elegant. And then you could see here's a door for a family room. Place to hang your jacket, luggage rack. Let's see the bed. Okay. And that's why I'm a member of IHG, because they're Holiday Inn Express and then they're Intercon. Of course, there are other stuff, but I've used a lot of the Holiday Inn Express, and then also Intercon I've used for points. And they treat you very well. When you check into an Intercon, they definitely make you feel like it's a good thing you're using their card. Okay, and then you have an espresso here, our espresso machine. Okay. Tea and coffee sachets will be replenished once a day. Gave us coffee. And then I believe, oh nice. They gave an adapter. This is great. Thank you. Very smart. Because our son went on to Bangkok now, and it's now for 3 of us, so my daughter lent him her adapter. So good, we have another one here. Probably find the ice machine somewhere. And of course these you pay for. And they take 150 euros per night for incidentals. And the breakfast is about, if I remember right, so 40 euros per person. We leave Friday really, really early, like 1 in the morning, because our flight is at 4:20. So we'll avail of the breakfast tomorrow. Okay, let's see. I got the desk here. I'll do some work. There's nice areas downstairs, so I'll probably work more there. But it's a nice view. My daughter will get a very nice view today. All right. And then let me show you the room from this side. So here's the room from the window. Very nice. And the nice thing, when we checked in, the AC was already at 20 degrees Celsius. So when we walked in, it wasn't a hot room, and it's just been hot. We came from doing the 7 churches, flew in from Izmir. So we had started in Istanbul, went to Cappadocia, which was amazing with the hot air balloon ride. Then we kept driving because we rented a car. It turned out cheaper for us to rent a car versus taking the plane, or saving time versus taking the train and the bus. So we just rented, went through the south to the west, ended up in Izmir, and then flew back here into Istanbul. And so anyway, I was saying with the deposit, it's 150 euros per night, which comes out to about $343. So I booked with the points, which was great. And I would have booked this same hotel last week when my son was with us, but they don't have a room for 4 people. They only have suites, and the suites are not available to book by points for at least the benefits that I have. Every intercon that I've been able to go to, they always send me or hand a welcome letter, which I think is a great touch, and it basically has the information. So versus having the information here, they have it in a letter. It feels more personalized, and then they also have a QR code in the letter with all the information about the hotel or the surrounding area, and they always write in my name. All right, so here's the bathroom, and here's the flooring, very nice. And all the bathrooms here we found has all of them have bidets. Okay, there you go. Then the mirror. Let's see. Burrito. Okay, and then place this card on your pillow. Your room attendant will change your sheets with new bedding. Okay, with compliments. Here you got some kit here. Hold on, but they have mouthwash. And then here, nail file, cotton pads. Yes, I need that. Shower cap. They're probably cuticle remover. Wow. I'm gonna keep those. And this is probably a sanitary pad. Nice, very nice. Okay, here's the sink. Couple of glasses. We probably should ask for a 3rd glass. Tissue. I don't know what that's for. Phone, okay. You can kind of see the mirror there. Here's the bathroom. Okay, yes. A couple bathrobes. So should ask for a 3rd bathrobe, 3rd glass. Okay, yes, they do have enough towels. They have the non-slip mat. Okay, let's go in. Okay, body wash, hair conditioner, shampoo, same. Okay, not really a rain shower, but at least above here. And then handheld. Okay, that's me. Hello. So you can see how much I fit over here, how big it is. There's space underneath there.
One from me, 1 pieces, but
Thank you. Oh, thank you. Oh, that's so cool. All right, it's been a long road trip, 5 days through Western Turkey. We're back here in Istanbul. Hope you like this tour of the Intercontinental Istanbul. It's fabulous. The service from when you step on the front driveway, totally great service, just like in Asia. Gave us all the information we need. And yeah, so we're gonna rest a little bit, get ready, and head out to most likely the Galata Tower to do a little bit of shopping around there because we stayed there a few days ago. So anyway, hope you like this tour. Let me know if this is a place that you would like to stay at, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye. Stay wild.